over 100 po yung napatay. Kasi yung mga pangalan po nung involved sa operation nandun po, pare-parehas yung pangalan nila. At lahat po itong kasama sa operations, handpick daw po ni General Bato de la Rosa from Davao City.
Nasaan yung mga records?
Your Honor, the records were submitted to higher office and
Now, you also have a copy of that. Even if you submit to the higher office, you should have a copy of that as an official file in your own station. My goodness, here is Mr. Mugato accusing you of more than 100 people who were killed during your time. Then this committee is asking you to get a record of that. Or else, we're going to hold you in contempt.
Edgar Mugato. Yes, sir. So, may binabasa ako sa routers eh. Manuel, Manny. O, kasi dito sa ano nyo, hindi report, news article, na-mention nyo si Colonel Patay. Andito si Colonel Patay eh. So, ang sinabi nyo dito sa news article nyo, nakalagay dito, ewan ko kung totoo to ha, pag kay Patay, patay ka kay Patay. Ayan, nakalagay dito, tapos, were you in, natatawa si Colonel. Colonel, you were assigned sa Station 6, ng Batasan, dito sa, no?
yes, sir.
And during that time of your incumbency in that place, ilan ang patay? Ilan yung mga naging, sa operation nyo?
I cannot give the exact data.
Well, dito sa report nila, meron nakalagay na data. It's like, hindi ko na makita, pero parang merong out of 100 something, parang 86 yung inyong, is that correct? Parang ganon ang report?
Your Honor, correct po kasi meron po kaming kopya ng mga police report nila.
So ilan ang
More
namatay
than
doon?
100 po.
Sa span of what?
Sa Station 6.
Hindi, span of what time? Baka naman 3 taon yan, o 5
Ay,
taon.
hindi po. Sandali lang po sila sa Station 6.
Ilang months kayo sa Station 6?
Less than a year, Your Honor. Less than a year, Your Honor. Walang isang taon po.
Less than a year. Less than a year. And during that time, Manuel, ang mga namatay is like,
More than 100 po.
ano yun, during police operation?
During police operations. Kasi may police report po kaming nakuha. Binibigay po nung that time, over 100 po yung napatay. Kasi yung mga pangalan po nung involved sa operation nandun po, pare-parehas yung pangalan nila. At lahat po itong kasama sa operations, handpick daw po ni General Bato de la Rosa from Davao City.
Pwede bang sabihin nyo sa amin yung inyong data tungkol dyan? Police report na yan, ng kopya.
Yung mga police report, mga...
Can you submit the copy to us, please?
wala po akong kopya nun.
So, Colonel Patay, prior to this assignment, were you on what station?
I was assigned at Davao del Norte, Your Honor.
Davao del Norte, bago ka mapunta sa Quezon City.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, bali, so will you confirm the statement of Manuel
I cannot
Patay?
confirm, Your Honor.
So, most likely, we'll be asking the, also yung record nung sa kanila siguro.
Wala rin silang record. Baka may record to si Colonel Patay. Yung sinasabing record ni Mr. Mugato, meron ba kayong record nun, Colonel?
Wala na po, Your Honor. We submitted
Wala na
all the
kayong
reports.
police record nun?
All
Ba
the
hindi
records
pwede
were...
mawalan kayo ng police record niyan?
All-
Bira, dapat yan, record na yan, nakatago yan sa inyo. Hindi pwedeng sunugin nyo yan. Nasaan yung mga record?
Your Honor, the records were submitted to higher office and
Now, you also have a copy of that. Even if you submit to the higher office, you should have a copy of that as an official file in your own station. My goodness, here is Mr. Mugato accusing you of more than 100 people who were killed during your time. Then you ought to produce the record because they have their own records eh. Sila hindi nila makita, pero ikaw, dapat meron kayo yan, Colonel Patay.
Your Honor, I have no personal records. All were left
Now,
at the police station, Your Honor.
I'm not referring to personal records. I am referring to the records that you have in your police station. Who is the police station commander now?
I cannot identify, Your Honor.
You cannot know?
Identify the recent station commander of Station 6.
Then this committee is asking you to get a record of that. Or else, we're going to hold you in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Mr. Chair.
Colonel Patay,
Mr. Chair.
ano na lang, most likely, alam mo rin naman yon kasi how many assignments did you have already during your time of being what you call, ano ba tawag dyan, police director? Police director ka, di ba?
Station commander.
High station commander. So, ilang istasyon ang pinuntahan mo sa karir mo?
7, 4, 6, 4,
Meron na bang 5?
8 assignments, Your Honor.
So, 8 assignments.
After
Oh.
station commander.
So,
of
can you
Station
kindly give us, siguro you can consult with your higher authorities, to give us yung mga records para at least malaman natin, ma-confirm natin, baka mamaya, hindi naman na totoo yung mga sinasabi ng routers. And we are just basing, and we just wanted to give you the benefit of the doubt that the report that was given was reported by routers were not true. At least this is your chance para patunayan na hindi totoo yung sinulat. But were you aware of this article that was written against you by the router? Kasi medyo mabibigat yung mga salita dito. Have you read about this? Ay, hindi nyo ko nababasa. Kasi may mga lingwahe dito na mabibigat yung mga salita dito against your group na sinasabi nila that patay kayo patay. Tapos at the same time yung grupo nyo talagang ang skill is to kill. Parang mga ganun na sinasabi dito And that's the reason why I'm giving you a chance, because in the spirit of fairness, of this committee, we are giving the benefit of the doubt to our PNP. Ako, being the chairman of the Public Order and Safety, we wanted to protect the integrity of the organization. And nagulat lang ako na mabasa ko ngayon tungkol sa iyo. And then being here right now, it's my opportunity to ask you kung talagang totoo itong mga sinasabi dito sa news na to. And this was written by the routers. Kaya I hope that you will be able to bring us all the documents pertaining to this accusation to clean your name.
Mr. Chair. Congressman Fernandez,
Yes.
Congressman Busita would like to interject, being a police colonel himself. So,
Thank you.
You have to make a motion. You can make a motion right now.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. By the way, Mr. Chair, before my motion, tanong ka lang, Mr. Chair, kay Colonel Patay. Kailan po kayo na-assign sa Station 6, UCPD?
Sometimes last July 2016, Your Honor.
Until?
Sometimes in 2017, but I cannot recall the exact month, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Mr. Chair, I move na ang i-direct po natin to submit those records dito po sa alleged operations with casualties. Mr. Chair, yung pong director ng QCPD.
So there's a motion given by Congressman Busita. Do I hear any objection? Hearing none, it is approved. Therefore, I withdraw my statement a moment ago. Advice ko lang sa iyo, kung hindi totoo yung sinasabi nitong si Mr. Mugato, demanda mo ng libel. Hindi totoo yan
In fairness with
Hindi totoo, di ba?
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, in fairness naman with Manuel Mugato, ang sumulat po noon ay si Claire Baldwin and Andrew Marshall. You know these people?
Yes, Your Honor. Si
Ah.
Andrew Marshall po nasa London na. Si Claire Baldwin ay nasa US na.
Oh.
They were the ones who interviewed that story. And I also know for a fact that Colonel Patay was interviewed in Pampanga during that time. After, I think, several months after he left.
Inamin niya.
I don't know. I'm not privy to the interview. But the interview was arranged by our stringer, si Jess Malabanan, who is also from Pampanga. And si Jess ay nagsumbong sa amin na natakot siya kasi parang nagalit daw si Colonel Patay. Bakit mo ako pina-interview dyan? Napahamak tuloy ako.
Ayun. So, you remember this, Colonel Patay? Kasi meron ka pa, may babanggitin pa ako para at least to good justice sa iyo rin, ha? O, tinan mo, when asked what was so special about the Davao Cops, he smiled and said, special kill skills. Sinabi mo ba to?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, so yun na nga. So, well, at least nabanggit mo dito, Colonel Patay, itong mga ganitong klase na sitwasyon. Kasi the members are being given this report at this worries us as well. Dahil sa mga sitwasyon that we are talking about that nagja-jive doon sa mga sinasabi ng ating mga witnesses. At any rate, Mr. Chairman, since wala na rin pala yung mga writers na to, bakit na sila umalis po? Umalis po sila o na-assign sila? What happened to them?
They were only assigned here for that special report. They were here for 17 months from July.
So they're not Filipinos.
They're not Filipinos.
Okay.
Si Andrew po ay British at si Claire ay American.
Oh, you remember that somebody interview you during
Yeah.
that time, mga Americans?
Yes, I can remember, Your Honor, but I did not get angry about that.
But you don't remember anymore the discussion.
Particularly on that statement you asked me. I
Are you
did
sure? Hindi mo natandaan?
I did not say so.
So hindi mo lang natatandaan yung content ng conversation ng interview. But you remember the time that you were interviewed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Bong Reyes, justice lang po ang hiling ng taong bayan, sana may patutunguhan ang imbestigasyon na ito. Pahayag naman ni Dale De Vera, the committee needs to have lawyers who has vast knowledge on asking the proper questions to the assets to avoid embarrassments in public. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Anna Backman, selective memory of Col Patay is sign of lies. Even his awards he couldn't remember. I am 95 years old and not high-ranking officer, but my memory is not as bad as Patay. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.